Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Santur Scholarship Program. First of all, talking about the program. A future full of opportunities is now within your reach. Choose your desired career path after class 12th and Wipro will help you to achieve your academic goal. This year, Wipro launches the 5th edition of Santur Scholarship Program for young women. Wipro Cares and Wipro Consumer Care and Lightning Group together have been supporting the education of many disadvantaged young women with the Santur Scholarship Program. Initiated in 2016, the program offers support to 900 students every year across the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana. Under this program, young girl can avail financial support of up to 24,000 per year for graduate studies in any discipline. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Santur Scholarship. Available only for young girl from underprivileged backgrounds from the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka or Telangana. Have passed class 10th from a local government school, have passed class 12th from a government school or junior college in the academic year 2019 and 20. Have enrolled in a full-time graduate program beginning in 2020 and 21. Note, the duration of the full-time graduate course must be minimum 3 years. Now talking about the benefit related to Santur Women Scholarship, 20,000 rupees per annum till the completion of the course is given to the applicant. Now talking about the documents required while applying for that scholarship. One recent passport size photograph, photocopy of applicant's passbook other than Grameen Bank, photocopy of Aadhaar card, photocopy of class 10th certificate, photocopy of class 12th certificate. Now talking about how can you apply. Go to the website Buddy for Study, log into Buddy for Study with your registered ID and land on the application form page. If not registered on Buddy for Study, register at Buddy for Study with your email, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. You will now be redirected to the Santur Scholarship Program application form page. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application process. Fill the required details in the online application form. Upload relevant documents. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Preview. If all the details filled in the application are correctly showing on the preview screen, click on Submit button to complete the application process. Now talking about some of the frequently asked questions related to that scholarship. Can students who passed class 12th in 2018-19 apply for this scholarship if they are starting graduate studies in academic session in 2020 and 21 after a gap year? Yes, if the student have taken a gap year, then can apply for this scholarship. They must have enrolled in a graduate program in the year 2020 and 21. Next, can students who have attended their class 10th and 12th at any school apply for this scholarship? No, only students who have passed class 10th and class 12th from government school may apply for this scholarship. Next, is this scholarship program open for students who are currently in second or third year of graduate studies? No, only students who have enrolled for the first year of full-time graduate program at any recognized educational institution are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Next, how will the selected scholars receive the scholarship award for Santur Women Scholarship? Selected scholars will receive the scholarship amount as direct benefit transfer to their bank account. In order to avail this scholarship, the students should have their account in any nationalized bank only. However, bank accounts of Grameen Bank will not be allowed. In case a student holds an account at Grameen Bank, such details will not be accepted. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.